favourite, yes. And mine, I could eat it off a spoon.
And a Christmas Nutella tree?
Yes, this is something I make every year and have done for several years
for
them. I make it on Christmas Eve and I cook it on Christmas morning. Kids don't like to eat breakfast on Christmas morning. And they like to eat sweets and chocolate Christmas morning.
That is right, kids.
And I don't mind them eating a little bit of sweets and chicken cocktail on Christmas morning, but I like them to have something to sort of fill their belly, because we have Christmas dinner about 2, so it's quite a long time to go without anything, and this is the perfect recipe.
Perfect. Okay.
So I've got some ready-made short brought puff pastry.
Yeah.
You can make your own if you want to. I do have a recipe for that, but Christmas Eve, do you want to be making puff pastry? No, you don't. I don't even want to be making puff pastry. I love making puff pastry. So we're going to lightly flour this.
Yeah.
And then we're going to turn it so we got pastry on both sides and flour on both sides. And then we're going to basically roll it out. I don't use a template at all.
Well, that's just more creative, so it's all good. It's all good.
And everyone knows how to draw a Christmas tree. We've been drawing them since we were like 2, haven't we? So
on the way. So you cook this every year?
Yeah.
Family favourite?
Yeah.
Simple to make?
Yeah.
And favourite Nutella.
What is it? We do 2 ingredients and a bit of icing sugar at the end.
Yeah, it's simple.
That's pretty simple. But also, it is really nice. You know, if you've got a buffet and you've got friends coming around, they've got kids, or you've got children, this is a nice little thing for them to have that's kind of like theirs, because most adults won't bother with it. So that's why I quite like making it.
Perfect. And where can you get this from? You can get this from any supermarket? Or?
Oh, puff pastry, yeah, you can get it from any supermarket. And it's actually vegan most of the time, because they don't actually use butter in it. So that's quite nice to know.
Perfect.
There, right, okay. So do you want to cut a tree shape?
I will.
So we need the triangle and we need the stump.
No problem.
Okay. I'll give you that.
Thank you. That looking good for you?
Yeah, that looks like a good tree. So what we're going to do now is we're going to lay this one on top once I've rolled it out.
Right.
We're going to lay this one on top, I should say, sorry, and then cut this one out.
Perfect.
So we get 2 matching, and then we're going to stuff it full of Nutella.
My favourite. It is honestly my favourite spread. It is amazing.
It's so good. I can see, I literally can feel the anticipation by the side.
I know, I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting.
You're literally like, waiting.
I'm like, just open Nutella. Oh man, yeah.
No, it's really good. I'm going to put this on this one. And we don't want to be stingy, but you don't want to overfill it and we're all pouring out either.
Yeah.
So we're going to, it's really, now this is the only bit that is a bit tricky. It doesn't spread that easily.
Yeah, okay.
But it's worth the effort. Worth it. You want to try and keep the shape, but you know if it goes a little bit out of shape, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's fine. It'll look really pretty when we're finished.
Looking fab.
Looking beautiful. So we're going to pop it back on our biscuit sheet now. We finish spreading it. Yeah. I'm going to take this one.
It's like a sandwich.
Oh yeah, it's like a Nutella sandwich. Beautiful. Pop that on top. Make sure it lines up. Then what we're going to do, we're going to cut some little strips.
Okay.
So we've done that. So then what we're going to do now before we egg wash is we're going to take these strips and make sure we've cut through them. And we're going to twist them.
Oh my goodness.
So when you come to serve it, these sort of branches then, so you can rip them off. Yeah, you can serve it with even more Nutella on the side if you can dip it.
Honestly, you know where I'm going to be tonight with the guests. It's going to be
on here.
Here, yeah.
It's not gonna, I don't think it's going to make it to the table.
No, I don't think so.
So, there we are. I'm just going to straighten up a little bit. Okay, so how pretty is that and festive?
It looks amazing.
So I'm going to egg wash it. Puff fish, you always want to egg wash.
Okay.
And then I'm going to pop my star
I love
on
the
top.
star. It's fantastic.
Got a star on top of the tree.
And this is simple. I never simple.
Oh yeah, so
keep saying
simple.
it, but it's what it's all
really
about.
Really easy. Something you can do, and the kids, like in my house, they look forward to this. You know, they love it. Amelia's 7 now, so she's starting to help on Christmas Eve, making the different things. And we do spend the Christmas Eve making things. We go get our turkey. Yeah, it's really lovely, and I think it's nice to start those traditions with them. It's not all about you know presents and things. Little sprinkling of the golden caster sugar now. Just a little sprinkling, not too much. And that's ready for the oven. Should we pop it in? Do you want to put it in this time?
I'll pop it in.
There we are, lovely. Thank you very much.